Hello everybody and welcome back to Pharmaceutical Concepts by Dr. Yojasvi Gadge, and I'm Payam Bora, and I'm going to present before you some of the important tips and tricks for GPAT. Not just GPAT, I'll be giving you all some briefing about some other examinations as well. So there are few tips and tricks, few last moment tips that you should know, that you must follow so that things go well, things fall well in place, right? So let me start with some important tips and tricks for you. So the number one and the most important tip is mock test and PYQs. So any exam you give, koi bhi, if you have not solved the previous year question papers of minimum 10 years, because almost many times the examinations agencies that sets the paper, they usually select those concepts or sometimes those questions also from the previous 10 years. So see to it that you go through the PYQs. So in with this you can also come to know about frequently asked questions and concepts, like in Sutix we have tablet capsules, in analysis we have from Beer Lambert's law, Woodward Fisher rule, and IR spectroscopy may we have all wave number pair and all, right? So you should be knowing these type of questions that are FAQs. Mock test, up since there are just 30 days left, so mock test you should give at least 3 mock tests in a day, full length wala 125 questions completely proper, though that format is not available because the section is changed now. There are 5 section A B C D and all, but that's absolutely all right. You have to give mock test full length, so one in the morning, one in the evening, and one in the afternoon. It's very essential to give 3 mock tests properly. And subject wise, yeah, if you think that there is a need to still give subject wise, then you can give subject wise test as well in between. But so if you are like, I feel it is mandatory to give such mock test. Secondly, be calm and be confident. In this last month we tend to study new topics, है ना? Instead of studying new topics, just keep your focus on revision, because studying new topics might make you fall into trouble. Rather just revise your important concepts, the things that you have done, है ना? And while you are solving mock test, you will come to know which areas you are lacking in, which areas you are not doing well, right? So इंस्टेड जो एरिया आप अच्छा कर रहे हो, ऑब्वियसली यू आर गोइंग टू डू वेल. आपको पता है कि उससे कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए आप पढ़ोगे, लेकिन साइकोलॉजी ऐसी है ना कि हम वही चीज बार बार पढ़ेंगे दैट वी नो, मतलब उसमें मजा आता है. डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक. रादर रिवाइज दोज थिंग्स और स्टडी दोज कॉन्सेप्ट्स वेयर यू फॉल वीक, सो दैट अगर क्वेश्चन वहां से आ जाए तो यू डोंट फॉल शॉर्ट ऑफ द आंसर. So don't choose new topics at the end moment, rather revise those particular tips. Third and the most important question that many people ask, कितने घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए? It's not about कितने घंटे. It's about आप कैसे पढ़ रहे हो, कहाँ से पढ़ रहे हो, कितना पढ़ रहे हो, है ना? So see to it, even if you're studying for 6-7 hours in a day, but those 6-7 hours are quality and a full discipline, full focus, full zeal and perseverance, so you're solving things and studying, then it's okay. अदरवाइज लोग 14 आवर्स 10 आवर्स पढ़ के भी उतना ग्रास्प नहीं कर पाते. सो सी टू इट दैट यू गिव योर स्टडी टाइम अच्छे से, है ना? मैनेज योर स्टडी टाइम वेरी वेल. Now the fourth one, if you haven't made any flash notes or cards or anything or memory charts, there are so many things available nowadays on online. You can go through those charts and all. Otherwise, you can simply, if you have made, then go through all those. Matlab, many a times, there are different types of memory that a individual has. He has a visual, muscle, auditory memory, right? We think that memory सिर्फ और सिर्फ cognition होती है, the things that we study. No, it's about auditing. So what I used to do, I used to record my own voice of a particular concept and I used to listen earphones लगा के when I'm free. मतलब when I'm tired, my eyes are getting strained, मतलब ऐसा है कि laptop नहीं देखना है, books नहीं देखनी है, so I used to record my own voice, I used to listen. So वो काफी बार auditory memory is useful, or whenever you listen to any lecture on YouTube. Next is muscle memory. So muscle memory obviously is going to help you, because the more you write, the more you understand. क्यों बोलते हैं लोग कि लिख के पढ़ो, आपको जल्दी ज्यादा याद होता है. Next up, visual memory. So many times the things that we see, we are able to captivate and remember for a long time. If it's any colorful thing, तो वो याद आता है, अरे हाँ ये कलर में देखा था, हाँ this I had seen. So see to it that you focus upon all these things. So these were the few tips that I wanted to give from my side to all of you all, that calm रहे, confident रहे, patience रखे, and don't get panic if your marks are getting low in mocks. That's all right. Marks मॉक में कम आ रही, इसका मतलब जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई द एरियाज वेयर लैकिंग, बिकॉज मॉक टेस्ट ये सेम पेपर जीपैट का नहीं होगा, बट yes you will identify the areas, so don't panic कि मेरे marks कम आ रहे, इतने कम आ रहे, 200 मेरा selection होगा या नहीं, am I going to get, no, that is not important my friend. Analysis from that test is important, and how you further execute your plan for that, है ना. So I hope these were the tips from my side. If you have any other doubts, questions or anything, or if you want any special videos to be made, feel free to drop in the comment section in this channel. I'll be answering them for sure. And I hope you all enjoyed, and happy learning to all of you all. Keep learning and keep enjoying. All the best for the upcoming examinations. Thank you so much.